Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to mute participants and allow them to unmute in a Zoom meeting. This is incredibly useful when you need to control background noise during presentations or when you want to give everyone the opportunity to speak up during discussions. Let's walk through this together. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email address and password associated with your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Zoom home screen where you can see your upcoming meetings and various options to start or join sessions. Next, go ahead and join a meeting. You can do this by clicking on the meeting link you received or by entering the meeting ID manually. Once you click Join, Zoom will connect you to the session and you'll see the main meeting interface with all the controls at your disposal. Now, take a look at the bottom toolbar of your meeting window. You'll see several options there, including video, audio, and other controls. Click on Participants. This is a crucial button as it opens up the management panel for everyone in your meeting. When you click it, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen showing a complete list of all the participants currently in the meeting. In this participants panel, you'll see everyone's names listed vertically. Navigate through the list and locate the person you want to mute. When you hover over their name, you'll notice several options appear. Click on Mute next to their name. This immediately silences their microphone, which is perfect for eliminating any unwanted background noise or interruptions. You can repeat this process for as many participants as needed, giving you complete control over the audio environment of your meeting. Now, here's where it gets even better. Let's say you've muted everyone and now you want to give them the chance to speak. At the bottom of the participants panel, look for the three dotted lines icon. This is your menu for managing all participants at once. Click on those three dots and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Ask All to unmute. This sends a request to every muted participant, allowing them to unmute themselves if they wish to contribute to the conversation. It's a respectful way to give everyone the opportunity to participate without forcing their microphones on, and there you have it. You've successfully learned how to mute individual participants and how to request everyone to unmute themselves when needed. This feature gives you flexibility and control, ensuring your Zoom meetings run smoothly and professionally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.